The pool. It's a hot summer's day, and Bluey wants to know what the family is going to do. Nothing until you have cleaned your teeth, says Mum. But Bluey doesn't want to. That's boring. Boring things are important too, says Mum. Bluey thinks that if boring things were important, then they would be more fun. Dad busts in. Let's go for a swim in Uncle Stripe's pool, yells Dad. Yeah! Cry the girls. Don't forget the swim stuff, calls Mum. But Bluey, Bingo, and Dad are already rushing out the door and into the car. Mum is such a fusspot. She always makes us do boring things, says Bluey. She does, says Dad. When they get to Uncle Stripe's, Bluey leaps down onto the footpath. It's hot! Bluey and Bingo don't have their sandals. Ow, ow, ee. So Dad ends up carrying them. I am a giraffe! Then it's time for Bluey and Bingo to put on their rashies and sunscreen. But Dad's forgotten them. Biscuits. We will just have to stay in the shady bit, and we will put our hats on, says Dad. What hats? Asks Bluey. Bluey does a cannonball into the pool. This is going to be fun. Bingo wants to jump in too. Dad, can I have my floaties? She asks. Sorry, Squirt, I didn't bring them, says Dad. Bingo's not sure about the crawly thing either. Bluey wants to swim all the way to the other end of the pool, but she can't go into the sunny bit. You have got no sunscreen on, reminds Dad. Dad, is the shady bit going to get bigger or smaller? Asks Bluey. Ah, bigger for sure, says Dad. I meant smaller, says Dad. The pool doesn't seem that much fun anymore. Dad, I'm bored. Dad, I'm cold. Dad, I'm freezing. Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, I'm starving. Dad, 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 Dad. Okay, can everyone stop saying Dad? Says Dad. I think Dad is actually boring. Mum is way more fun, declares Bluey. A warm voice floats into the pool area. That's nice to hear, says Mum. I brought all the swim stuff you left behind. Mum even remembered to bring morning tea. After they have eaten, Mum helps Bluey put on some sunscreen. And Dad helps Bingo with her floaties. So boring things are important sometimes then? Asks Mum. Yes, agrees Bluey. Goggles mean Bluey can play torpedo. Floaties mean Bingo can escape from the crawly thing. and Sinkies take you to the very bottom of the pool where you can see all sorts of things. The end. Subscribe for more.